Hi, my name is Chris Bowman. I'm the Managing Director of Love Flavours. The reason why Love Flavours was born was to work with our sister company, Bowman Specialised Liquids. That was one, to bring it in-house. Number two, so we could work in a brand new direction of the company, which would be food, confectionery, and drinks. And number three was to work with different manufacturers within different industries. Our facility is based in Warrington in the northwest of England. It's a 20,000 square foot facility, and in the departments we have here is a flavour department, analytical department and design department, and a co-packing department. So the industries that we supply to at Love Flavours can be anything from food, drink, confectionery and e-liquid. What we did invest our time when building the company was to make sure we had wealth of experience, to make sure we had the best flavourists, also making sure we had a great compounding team that knew how to build these recipes up, and also the analytical side.
My name's Nathan. I'm the Product Development Manager and Head of Marketing here at Love Flavours. I make sure that every flavour that we produce is at the highest quality, from design to marketing materials to the actual full end product. We're lucky to have such a wide variety of creative minds. You can come to us with a concept that's 90% complete. We just need to put the finishing touches on it. Or you can come to us with a range of flavours but you don't really know how to fit it in. Or you could just come to us with absolutely nothing, just a little bit of a concept, and we can do the rest for you. What we want to do is help you push your brand, so we can offer marketing services with social media, a wide range of different content to help you push your brand.
Hi, I'm Richard. I'm the Compliance Officer for Love Flavours. So Compliance Officer looks after the regulatory side. It's a key feature here at Love Flavours. It gives us full control over this process from development, manufacturing and distribution, and that the best quality product can be sent out.
What sets us aside from other industries is our experience within what the customer wants. Being a customer of the flavour industry for over 8 years now, you soon get to grips with what you require as a customer, and if we can then interpret that to giving the customer what they want, it's only going to be positive for us and them.